Kleensafe's automated tank cleaning system is a tank cleaning and oil recovery system for large crude oil storage tanks with external floating or fixed roofs. The fully automated system ensures a safe option for crude oil storage tank cleaning, as no personnel are required to enter the tank before or during the cleaning process. Every tank cleaning project's initial stage involves mobilization of the equipment. This process consists of two steps. Step 1 requires installing crucial safety and EX certified equipment inside the tank bund, including pumps, filters, and a separation system used for water, oil, and solid separation. Step 2 involves installing non-EX equipment in a designated safe zone, including a nitrogen generator, electrical generator, and an office container. The automated tank cleaning system contains suction, fluidize, filtration, and separation of oil, water, and solids. A nitrogen generator is utilized to maintain the internal tank oxygen level below 8% to eliminate the risk of explosion. To ensure nitrogen blanketing throughout the entire cleaning process, parts of the tank such as the legs and primary seal are sealed off. Oxygen level inside the tank is continuously monitored via built-in process control that will automatically shut down the automated tank cleaning system if the oxygen level rises above 8%. Nozzle openings are also used to dip and calculate the amount of sludge in the tank. This is to determine the amount of refined oil required to liquefy the sludge. With approval from the client, the fluidize process begins. In order to gain suction, around 100 millimeters of refined oil is injected into the tank. A suction pump is then used to pump this oil out into the filter skid in order to strain off foreign objects. The oil is then pumped into pump skid 1. The refined oil used to liquefy the sludge is then refined through the three-phase separation system and returned to the client as a usable product. The separation process takes place simultaneously with use of three-phase tricanter that splits oil, water, and solids into 3 streams. The solid waste is disposed into skip bins for off-site disposal. The refined oil from the tank is pumped from pump skid 1 to pump skid 2. The flow and pressure are increased and pumped to the floating tank roof. The tank cleaning system has safety features such as automatic system shutdown to reduce the risk of harm to 0. For example, if any reading of H2S or LEL is detected near the equipment or the oxygen level rises above 8%, the system will automatically shut down and raise the alarm. The nozzles are programmed to liquefy the sludge and push sand, rust, and paint scales to the suction point. Once loss of suction occurs, this process is repeated until all sludge has been removed. When no sludge is left in the tank, a thin layer of oil will remain on the bottom and walls. To clean the tank completely, it is now time to perform a water wash. After water wash, the tank is opened for ventilation until the atmosphere inside of the tank is safe for entry and inspection. Demobilization starts as the equipment is now being drained of the remaining water in the pipelines. Pipes are disconnected and equipment packed, ready for the next tank to be cleared. The benefits include significantly less man-hours in a confined space. Only after the automated tank cleaning is done and the tank has been vented, personnel can enter the tank for the final detail cleaning. At this stage, there is 0% LEL, and the personnel entering the tank won't require a breathing apparatus as the tank is no longer a toxic environment. Tanks containing crude oil, long residue, heavy fuel oil, floating or fixed roof up can be cleaned with the automated tank cleaning system. Kleensafe, greater in safety.